Mike Wazowski?
Say Mike Wazowski.
Mike Wazowski?
Go kitty.
Aww.
Ricky.
Ella, can you read Counting Kisses to Mommy? By Karen Katz. That's right. Say Counting Kisses.
Daddy be chubby.
Counting Kisses by Karen Katz. Can you read this page, Ella? Ella, what's it say? No.
Does it say my tired baby? Do you need a kiss?
What's it say?
Can you baby do no kisses?
Oh my gosh, that's my favorite.
Can you get the teeny tiny toes?
That's right. 10 kisses on teeny tiny toes.
9 kisses, teeny tiny toes.
8 kisses on your chubby, yummy knees.
Daddy be happy.
7 loud kisses on a pretty belly button.
Daddy come down.
6 tickly kisses on baby's dimpled chin. 5 quick kisses on a itty bitty nose. Get your nose in there. 4 warm kisses on 2 baby hands.
Aww.
3 fuzzy kisses on sweet little ears. 2 gentle kisses on tired closing eyes. And 1 last kiss on your sleepy dreamy head.
Aww.
And now it's time for baby's bed. Counting Kisses by Karen Katz.
You say Counting Kisses? Counting Kisses? Counting Kisses.
Mommy, give me Ducky.
Ducky?